Hi, I'm Catherine with the Old Country Porch, and today I'm going to be trying to use Coca-Cola as a cleaner. I'm going to be cleaning 5 different things: rust off of a pair of old pliers, burnt grease off of an old pan, 2 different kinds of markers on carpet, soap scum buildup on glass tile, and I'm going to see if I can get the grout clean. First, I'm going to try to clean these old pliers. They've got quite a bit of rust on them and they don't open and close very easily. So I am going to be soaking these overnight in Coca-Cola to see if it helps with the rust. The next thing I'm going to try is to clean this old pan. It has so much baked on oil and grease. I bought this pan at a thrift shop so I can see if I could get this baked on grease off of it by soaking it in Coca-Cola. I'm going to soak this one for 24 hours as well. The next thing I wanted to try was marker on carpet. I have 2 different kinds of markers, a Sharpie and a Crayola marker. And this is not a washable Crayola marker. So I'm just going to pour on some Coca-Cola and see if I can scrub this out. And I'm just using a regular kitchen sponge. So the purple marker has come completely out with little effort, and there's no trace of the purple at all. The Sharpie marker didn't work as well. There was definitely some improvement, but it didn't get it completely out. So the next thing that I wanted to try is the soap scum buildup on the glass tiles and also the mildew on the grout lines. So I'm going to put some of the Coke in a spray bottle and using a scrub brush, see if this one will work. So this one actually was very impressive. It got all of the mildew off and it got the soap scum off. Now these pliers have been sitting overnight and I'm just going to use this kitchen sponge to see if any of this rust will come off. So this one is a little more disappointing. I was hoping for better results. It did get some of the rust off and the pliers do open a little bit easier. So maybe if they soaked for a couple of days, I would get better results. This one did work a little bit. It just didn't work as much as I had hoped. And this pan has been sitting for 24 hours and I'm really excited to see if there's any improvement. So I'm just using the same kitchen sponge and scrubbing it. So the lighter grease has loosened up quite a bit and it's come right off. Unfortunately, the darker grease that's really burnt on, it is not coming off with the sponge. So if you have baked on grease, this looks like it's going to work, but if it's really burnt on, it's probably not going to be very effective. So overall, I'm actually really impressed. It really worked on the soap scum on the glass shower and getting the mildew off of the grout. The Crayola marker worked perfectly. It came right out. The Sharpie marker, it did improve it, but it didn't get it completely out of the carpet. And the rust on the pliers, it did improve it, but there was still a lot of rust left. It really did work on the stainless steel pan on the grease that was baked on, but it didn't work on the burned on grease on the sides of the pan. So overall, I'm really impressed that you actually can use Coca-Cola to clean things. And if you have any suggestions for things that you think can be cleaned with Coca-Cola that you'd like me to try, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.